Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Hi.
Good morning. How are you? I'm a bit sleepy.
What time did you get home?
Maybe like 1 o'clock.
Oh wow.
I was here less than 6 hours ago. Guys. I just
This
wanna
exact
let you
one?
know. Yep. Round 2.
Good morning, what can I get for you?
Hello, the three
Hello.
bacon egg meals, and you have your Marty meal and your 5 hashies.
Yes.
And would you like a receipt?
No, thank you.
No, good to drive on through. Have a
Cheers.
lovely
You
day.
too. Thank you.
I really like how they're called hashies.
Yeah! How good was that?
That is like the,
Hashies.
yeah.
Oh my God, I
and
do
your 5
this every day.
hashies?
Great customer service. She was great.
Energetic.
The woman
Yeah.
What's Claire gonna do, Ali? What did she just claim?
that she's going to eat all their food.
Which is?
What'd you order?
Egg and bacon muffin. Meal.
Yep.
Which... And then what else? So that comes with a hash brown.
Yep.
And then
And
you've
orange juice,
and
medium orange juice.
And you've ordered another 3 hash browns.
This is correct.
And anything else?
No.
And she
I'll be
thinks she's-
impressed if she eats it.
You
Oh, yeah.
knowing your partner Claire, you've claimed that she won't finish all her food.
Yep.
I will finish it.
Claire, so much food. Wow.
These are all yours actually.
Jesus!
So we got here at 9, and pretty much on 9, like another 5 or 6 cars all arrived. So yeah, it looks like it might be quite popular. Temperature is freezing. It's like 5 degrees. My hands are frozen. Bring gloves.
It's quite cold.
But it's really pretty. We've only been walking for,
Yeah.
I don't know, 500 meters or so. But it's all a bitumen path and ferns either side and everything. It's really cool. Great timing.
What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Would you slide down there for 100 grand?
No.
Why not just go through here, Al? Wow.
I'm stuck, guys.
Ali is out there getting some awesome shots right now, and Emily's just chilling on a rock.
Yep.
You know, but it's seriously so cold.
I know.
I feel like it's because we're in the shade as well, so my hands are frozen, especially if we're trying to film and take photos and everything. Our hands are getting really icy, so we need gloves. Bring gloves next time. Definitely.
Claire bought gloves, but she left them in the car. So,
Nice work, Claire.
oops.
I think that's worse than us not bringing them at all.
Yeah, I think so.
Yep, nailed it. Nailed it. Oh yeah, bit of sunlight. Oh, yeah. We're just on our way back now to the car. I think we're heading to maybe a lake. What was that, sorry?
Dobson Lake.
Dobson Lake.
Maybe a 20-minute, half-an-hour drive.
Yeah, half an hour.
Okay,
Half an hour.
half-ish drive. So we'll see you when we're in the car. On this amazing walk in the middle of nowhere with some of the cleanest water and freshest air, and the people ahead of us are smoking a cigarette while they walk. That's not very nice.
Smells delicious.
Smells so good, doesn't
I
it?
had one.
I love smoke in the face, especially when you're out here. I'm gonna get some snow and I'm gonna throw it at Emily and see how mad she gets. I think she's gonna hate it. Gotta get Emily. Excuse me. Emily.
Yeah.
Got you so good. Oh,
I wouldn't take that in.
Yeah, I'd slap it in.
you look drenched.
You've got a 1 hour ban that I've been talked to.
So we just had a snowball fight and I won. I got Emily.
I'm pulling my weight.
That's disappointing.
I think he's up her head.
Really? Let's do some vlogging without him.
Wow. That's so cool.
Oh, there he is. I can see him in the camera.
Mum told me not to go off the path.
You legend.